Hey guys, Clean Slate here, and today I'm doing a review on this guy right here. Boom, the magnetic mount for iPad. So this is like I got it from Amazon. I don't know who the manufacturer is. It looks like just kind of one of those, I don't want to call it third party, but you know what I mean. One of those.
One of those.
But yeah, I love this thing. Not only do I have a lot of flexibility on how I have it angled, you know, up and down, folding it, whatever, but also I can twist it, I can turn it. It works great. And they mentioned on the back here, upside down. They mentioned on the back here that you should not use it with a case, for I guess the best mounting. I've tried it with a couple cases.
Never follow the rules.
Like for example, I have the Magic keyboard case for my iPad Pro. That does not stick with it, but I have like another more simple case. It's thinner, and that does mount with it on. I will admit it's not as securely fixed, or I guess attached through the magnets when that case is on, because I guess that layer there it reduces the strength of the magnetic grip it has. But it's still good enough for when it's on my desk and just kind of carrying it around. I haven't had any issues, but for ultimate security, I probably should not use a case with it. That being said though, I do love using a case with it.
I never learn.
When I can kind of pull the screen protector up over my iPad and still keep it mounted on my desk. And also it makes it easier when I just want to pull it off that case and walk with it. I don't have to then go fishing for a case after I pull it off. So not the official use case for it, but it works fantastic. Besides that, I have no real complaints for this. I think like I only paid like $30 or something for this case. I'll put the price, or sorry, for this mount, I'll put the price below, but it wasn't expensive at all, super handy. My only complaint or wish is that it had some type of charging mechanism. So I understand for the sleekness of it, it wasn't really possible. And also the iPad that I have, and I don't know if the new ones have it, but the iPad I have doesn't have wireless charging. So it wouldn't be something that could be enabled through the mount, but it would have been nice, like for example, if I could have plugged in a cable to the back here, and then let's say they had like some type of cable that could have came in and plugged into my iPad from the back of the mount. So if I wanted to charge it while it was in use for like kind of a cleaner look still.
Write that down.
That would be my only real critique or suggestion on how they can improve this product, while, you know, still working within the limitations of the lack of wireless charging in the iPad. Because obviously, ideally, it would be the iPad has wireless charging, this thing has wireless charging, you plug it in, and then, you know, Bob's your uncle. But unfortunately, that is not the way the iPad is set up, at least not the one that I have. So that would be my only suggestion on how they can improve this product. But besides that, it once again meets expectations, does everything I want it to, and I think it looks great. It looks nice and clean and sleek.
I love it.
And when I was looking at other mounts, this was by far, in my opinion, the most attractive mount out at the time. I got it in late November, early December, so there could be other things out since then, but of 2022 also, I want to make that clear. But yeah, I would highly recommend checking this mount out if you're looking for a solution like this. Check it out. Alrighty, that concludes my review of this magnetic iPad mount. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them in the comments below and I will address them as I can.
Next question.
If there's anything you want to see me talk about in the future that I didn't talk about here, let me know. Give me that feedback so I can constantly make my reviews better. I think that's all. Yeah. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Take care.